Updating a color bar in Bokeh. I am trying to update a color bar in Bokeh, and neither the title nor the colors themselves will update. Here is a minimal functional example: Python 3.6.9, Bokeh 2.3.0, Tornado 6.1. I am running this example with Bokeh serve show file underscore name.py. When I choose reverse from the menu, the plot itself is updated correctly, but the color bar is unchanged. I followed the advice here to make the smallest change possible, but perhaps my changes are too small. My guess would be that linear color mapper isn't pushing an update to color bar, but changing the title on color bar doesn't work either. Edit. By adding a print_bar.title to the end of the update method, I can see that the title of the color bar is being updated. It changes from normal to reverse and back again as I select the two items from the menu. It appears that the color bar is simply not being redrawn. Edit 2. If I try to replace the color bar entirely, it disappears. Modify the update function and add a new one to create a color bar. When I run this a different way, using Python 3 file underscore name.py and ask for the identity of p.write0, I get color bar it equals 1042, ... If I then manually change menu.value equals reverse, true is printed to screen, and look at the identity of the color bar, I get color bar equals 1057, ... It appears that the new color bar isn't being pushed to the display, while the old one is being removed. Edit 3. This has been marked as a bug in Bokeh and is planned to be updated for versions 2.3.2.
This bug has been closed. It looks like it is part of version 3.0.